teachers, development officers. Hurry. Hurry. Well, I guess we have to be the half are you filming it? ಅದೇನು ದಾಸದ ಹಾಕಿಲ್ಲ ಆಮೇಲೆ ಕಟ್ಟಿ ಸಮಸ್ಯೆ ಹೋಗೋಣ ಎಕ್ಸಾಮ್ ಸಿಕ್ಕರ ಈಗ ಅವ್ರು ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಹೋಗೋಣ ಮೇಕೆ So this they come here as a school development teachers. So they have come for a protest, and this is a very deadly protest in front of the President's Secretariat. All right, and so about 8th day, and they are conservative in the protest, and they want to make a permanent job there. They want what? They want to be permanent teachers, cadres. Right, okay. So people are falling sick. So we're going to make a in there. Until then I start on it. All right, okay, that's good. And how is the channel built down? Can you take it? I will love you. Anything else? So I wish them all the best and hope they come back. We will say, now we're going to go back and okay, I won't.